Hello everyone, my name is Hee-kyung. I want to ask you a question. Do you record online lecture? I think most of you will record it. In fact, according to survey, 77% of respondents in our class answered yes. Then, why? They are afraid of missing professor's words and want to rewatch it later to study. However, some students don't record it because it's inefficient and recording is stressful. I recommend you don't record online lecture. I will not talk about legal issues. My suggestion is for your effective study method. To be honest, I recorded lectures during spring semester. Similar to you, I was worried about missing the contents. Later, I don't have enough time to rewatch it. Besides, tired of watching it, I realized that I was wasting twice as much time. Then, why we should not to record video? Let's look at two psychological theories. The first is absent-mindedness. There is a familiar example of it. Imagine that I come out of the dormitory, but I can't go back in because I don't bring my student ID card. Like this situation, absent-mindedness is caused by decrease in attention. According to psychologist Craig's research on the effects of divided attention on human memory, attention plays an essential role in long-term memory. In this study, subjects had much lower memory when memorizing words while performing other tasks. Students passively participate in class, so it's easy to lose their attention and make in moments of absent-mindedness. The second is Yerkes dozen law. This is the graph. It shows the relationship between arousal and performance. As you see, low arousal results in bad performance. The belief about existence of recorded version lowers the arousal. So, it would be better not to record video to avoid absent-mindedness and think it's on only one chance, just like face-to-face class. I also recommend you use SQ3R study method. SQ3R is an abbreviation of survey, question, read, recite, and review. This is how to do it. Look over the contents and make questions, and read the contents to find answers. Next, paraphrase the answer obtained of your own expression. Then, review. SQ3R helps you study effectively. When I stopped recording, I definitely feel that I can focus more on class and save my time. Also, I was relieved from the stress of recording and burden of having left classes. Don't be nervous and focus on the present. Do not record class and be a master of time management. Thank you for listening.